His Excellency Said Hamoud bin Faisal Al-Busaidi, Minister of the Interior, chaired this morning a joint meeting of the Supreme Committee in charge of discussing the mechanisms for dealing with the developments resulting from the spread of the coronavirus COVID-19 and the subcommittee concerned with dealing with the economic effects resulting from the pandemic. The Supreme Committee highly appreciated the generous directives of His Majesty Sultan Haitham bin Tariq to chair the meeting of the Supreme Committee last week, and His Majesty's affirmation to harness all capabilities to confront this pandemic and limit its effect in order to protect citizens and residents. The Supreme Committee expressed its deep appreciation for the active contribution of PDO in equipping the field hospital and managed its facilities, looking forward to broader participation from the private sector in concerting with the government's efforts to address the pandemic and deal with its effects. The committee also reviewed health and epidemiological indicators and data in the Dhofar Governorate and the efforts made by all sectors to confront this pandemic. And in order to facilitate the movement of citizens and residents, the committee decided to lift the closure on the Dhofar Governorate starting Thursday, 13th Safar 1442 Hijri, corresponding to 1st of October 2020, calling upon all individuals and institutions to adhere to the precautionary and preventive measures to ensure the safety of everyone. To reduce the financial effects on the companies and institutions, especially small and medium enterprises, the Supreme Committee decided to extend the facilities packages related to procedures provided by the government for those institutions in the private sector till the end of the year. The concerned bodies will announce the details of these facilities later. The committee also decided to allow the return of those holding valid residency of the Sultan from October 1st, 2020, provided they undergo a laboratory examination PCR upon return and adhere to a 14-day quarantine.